guys, it's Jules and welcome back to my channel. I have a few DIYs that I want to share with you, so let's get started. I've been collecting gingerbread for the last few years, but most of mine are in the candy cane look. So I found these paintable gingerbread ornaments and decided to paint them for my new decor. They are so cute the way they are, but you know me, I'm a bling girl, so it's time to glitter them up. So here they are all painted and glittered. I have a few more that I need to do, but let's move on to the next DIY. I picked up this awesome bowl in Ross and I picked up this candle from Dollar General and I decided that I wanted to make a larger candle. So let's get started. It took about 30 or 40 minutes to melt the wax down. I took the same wick that it had inside, placed it inside of the bowl in the center, and then just poured the melted wax into the bowl. And all that is left to do is let it dry and enjoy the sweet smelling aroma. I can't wait to light it and make my whole house smell like gingerbread. Moving on to the next DIY, I found this awesome 3-foot nutcracker at Five Below. I got home and was so excited that I forgot to turn on my camera. I painted the whole thing in pink and a turquoise blue, and I removed the bottom half of the jacket and will be replacing it with some other material. So let's get started. And of course, we can't forget the sparkle. As you can see, it still has some of the red in the back, but I'm not worried too much about that because the jacket is going to cover it. I removed and kept the gold part from the bottom of the jacket, and I also kept the belt. Once I attach my pink material to the nutcracker, I will be putting the belt over the top to cover any loose ends. I'm using hot glue to attach the two materials together. I'm also using hot glue to attach it to the nutcracker. Now let's attach it. I'm using the hot glue, so I'm not going to bother with the pleating. And I also added the belt. Here it is next to my fireplace, and I am so happy with how it turned out. Let me know what you think down below. For my next DIY, I will be making my own glitter trees from these paper mache cones I found at Hobby Lobby. The trees were 50% off, and each tree cost me less than $6 to make. I did not have the exact mint green color that I wanted, so I decided to add a little bit of green and turquoise together to give me the color that I needed. If necessary, go over your trees with more glue and glitter to cover any spots that may be showing. The camera does not give these trees justice. They are so sparkly. Well guys, that's all for now. I hope that you guys enjoyed these DIYs just as much as I enjoyed making them. I hope that you guys have a wonderful and blessed Christmas, and stay tuned for my next video. I'm going to be revealing my home decor. Guys, if you have not yet subscribed, please consider doing so. And don't forget that notification bell so that you can be notified whenever I upload a video. Bye.